Maybe one day I'll make pizza for Sienna because she keeps asking for the pizza. So I'm gonna oil this place. I'll need a knife. What are you making, Maria? Chapati, parata. Unatengeneza chapo? Chapati. Maria, hi. Your husband is so lucky. Mohammed, why is he lucky? Why is he lucky? So I'm gonna make some balls here. I don't want many chapatis. If they turn out to be very big, I'll still slice them. Rashid, hi, thank you for coming. How are you? Tyrus, you and baby girl can come to America with me. Come and take us with you. Everyone in the comment, give it to the birthday queen, still young and entering her 30, a new milestone. May God bless her more and more. Shout out to the energetic sister Vicky, guys. Thank you so much, Basha. Thank you, darling. Hope they are not big or small. I'm gonna dust my tray with some flour or flour. Happy Diwali, everyone. Wow. To all Indians and happy birthday, Vicky. Oh, so today it was a special day, and it was also Heroes Day in my country. We celebrated Heroes Day. Today in Jerry. Today was Heroes Day in Kenya. I'm a hero. I'm a hero. We keep liking, guys. You're so pretty. Thank you, Billy Brian. Ray Brian. Thank you so much. You serious, girl? You laughing? A chapati, flatbread. Billy, I'm making some chapati or flatbread. Food Central. Hi, darling. Thank you for coming.
When in the woods, don't go off the path so you don't get lost. I think we got lost.
Hey, you look so many. Hi, baby. Hi, mommy. Here. Hida, at what time is it there in India? Oh, here, you can see them. At least I've made, they are not of the same.